keep a little balance. And once you do it, it shows you what it looks like. Yeah, just like that. So get yourself online, get your certified mail labels account. It helps you do what you need to get done. It makes life a lot more convenient. Anybody any questions? And there's other accounts that like this. I have a FedEx account as well, but I don't FedEx very much because if you send something legally, you more likely want to send it through U.S. Postal Service because they seem to they find people a lot easier. So sometimes FedEx and UPS may find a mail room or some other stuff. So there you go. And let me do this right here. And you can substitute this for your state too. I wanted to show everybody something about the statutes. Sometimes, I don't know what the hell's going on with this. I wanted to show people how the statutes work. Let me try this. My online, there we go, same thing. Construction of statutes. Yesterday, I was talking to a gentleman about this and why it's important. If you want to know where definitions come from or what something, a word means, when you go into the statute or anything else, it's going to always be in here, no matter what it is. I don't know, anti-Semitism, that close up in there anyway. Sunshine Protection Act, statutory constructions, how it works, and what have you. Everybody see that? Right here, common law in effect. And you can do the same thing for your statute. I mean, for your statutes for your state. And control plus, see that? The common law and statute laws of England, which are general and not of local nature, with the exception hereinafter mentioned, down to the fourth day of July 1776, are declared to be in force in this state, provided the said statutes and common law be not inconsistent with the Constitution and laws of the United States and the acts of the legislature of this state. So, in other words, if it's not drafted in law here, then they go to what's called English common law, meaning whatever the courts come up with. But if it's codified in statute, that's what prevails. So long as it's not inconsistent with the Constitution of Florida or the United States. Right there. So that should dispel a little bit of the other foolishness out there. So I think we kind of pretty much gone over all the stuff that is really necessary when it comes to setting up your online access and making sure that we also know how to what is if we set up our online access. So whether you're county or state, I showed you what happens when you go to the federal court. Don't forget you filed the original document. You got to probably hand carry that or send it by mail to the court with and also ask the court for permission, an order allowing you to file electronically. Once they do that, you can file electronically. And also I showed you how to go about doing a public records request and a request for production whenever you see something is missing from your file. Kind of basic, just things that everybody should know. In fact, when you do, after you read the first two, this one right here would probably make a lot more sense. But if you did this first, it would still be okay to do this. Get yourself set up, then go watch the other two videos. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Anybody got any questions, concerns, or what have you?
Oh,
Everybody good?
good, good. Appreciate you.
No
Thank
doubt,
you
no
so
doubt.
much.
We'll see each other. Hopefully, Lord willing, the creek don't rise next Saturday at 10 o'clock.
10
Share it
o'clock.
with everybody. It should be the same link because it's coming from me. Same password and everything else.
Okay.
And I'll edit this up and put it up for people to watch it on what's it, YouTube. Please like, subscribe. Any questions, comments, any questions or comments on some of the other videos, please feel free to do it. I want it to be easy for everybody.
Yeah.
Or make it understandable for everybody. I wish it was easy. There's nothing easy about fighting a giant. So keep that in mind when you move forward. So with that being said, sometimes it's not about right or wrong. More importantly, it's about clarity. You never reach a resolution if you're not willing to engage in dialogue, either with yourself. Take time to hug the person you love the person you hug. I'm Greg Dawson, Squid, saying peace and chicken grease.